Is your computer acting strangely, running slow, or displaying unusual pop-ups? It might be infected with a virus, but don't panic. Today, we'll show you how to quickly and easily check your PC for those nasty bugs. First up, let's use the built-in Windows Security. Click the Start button, type Windows Security, and hit Enter. This opens the Windows Security dashboard. Now, select Virus and Threat Protection. This area shows you the status of your antivirus protection and lets you run scans. The easiest option is to click Quick Scan. Windows will quickly check common areas where viruses are often found. Let this scan complete. For a more thorough check, click Scan Options here. You'll find Full Scan, which checks every file on your hard drive, or Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, which is useful for removing particularly stubborn malware. Select the scan you want and click Scan Now. Keep in mind a full scan can take a while. If you have third-party antivirus software installed, like McAfee, Norton, or Bitdefender, open it and run a scan according to its instructions. Each program is a little different, but usually there's a prominent scan button or similar option. Finally, for a quick online check, you can use an online virus scanner. Search for a reputable online scanner, upload a suspicious file, and let the website analyze it. Just be cautious about uploading sensitive documents. And that's it. By using these methods, you can keep your PC clean and protected from viruses. Remember to regularly scan your system to stay safe. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips.